friends, this side Vijay Kumar, and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative video. Today, we are going to see how to insert blank rows as per our requirements. So, without further ado, let's open our Excel file. I'm in Global Superstore 2016 datasets. I hope you know from where I have downloaded this. It is an open source data provided by Microsoft. After watching this video, you can watch my previous videos. There I have shown you the path to download this file. So without further ado, let's say I have 1000 rows data. On this datasets, I want to insert rows after each row alternatively. So I would write one here, press enter, and I would double click on it. And from here, I would select fill series. Now this way I got serial number from 1 to 1000. I will copy these, go in the end, paste it. Now I can press Alt DS is the shortcut key to open sort window, and from here I can select the last options, column Y, and the order would be smallest to largest. Click OK, and you can delete this column now. That's all guys. So our work is done. You can see after each row we have blank rows now. Wasn't it magical? Now let's say we have one more example. In sheet 1, I have the similar set of data, but here the requirement is let's make it bit more tricky. And in this data sets, I'm going to insert blank rows after each country. So if you see here, we have many countries in our data sets, and inserting blank rows after each country, separating countries data on from this data sets is a time consuming task. But let's say this is our requirement. So to do that, I would keep my cursor anywhere on this datasets and press Alt D B. This is the shortcut key to open this subtotal window. Once this window will get open, from this drop down, I would select country, and now I will press OK button. And my work is done. You can see guys, I have blank rows now as per my requirement, and these blank however we have some text also in this blank rows. We can clean our blank rows so that we have entire blank row only. So in filter, first of all I would go and uncheck from here, and I would only select blank rows. So this way I have only selected blank rows. I would go here. These are the only two columns which will have data, because the functionality which I use was the subtotal functionality, which has auto apply subtotals on my data sets, which I don't need it. Let me just select this, and to select only visible cells, I will press Alt semicolon. This way I have only selected visible cells, and now I will press delete, and now I can open my filter from here. And now I don't need this. I would go in data tab, go in outline, and from ungroup I would select clear outline. And see guys, my work is done. So now you know how we can insert blank rows alternatively and also as per our requirements. So that's all guys. Thank you very much.